So this painting was inspired when I was praying with a sister, and what I saw was exactly what you see here, was just that the chains were falling off of a person's heart. And the reason why the chains are falling off is because the love of God is filling our hearts bigger and bigger and fuller, that the chains, if you see, they're just breaking off. And the chains can represent fear of failure, fear of rejection, or things that happened to us in the past, abuse or anything like that, or relationships. God is filling us with His unconditional love, His love that casts out all fear, and through that, those chains in our lives can be completely gone. And that's also a testimony what God's done in my heart. He took off the chains and He set me free to love and to be loved. So I hope this encourages you.